How to add a new domain in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. Under the Websites and Domains interface, click on the Add Domain button. Enter the registered domain name of your website in the given text input box. If you haven't registered the domain, you may exercise this option for a temporary domain. You can leave the default settings for the location of files, hosting type, and hosting settings for redirection of the website visitors, as it is. If you need SSL, go and click to check the option box. It looks ready now, click on OK. Success! The domain has been created and now ready to use. You can use and manage the domain from here. Thank you for watching.